Made it to the airport and we got upgraded. Yay!
How did that?
This week, we are headed to Singapore, and that means vacation prep. I usually get myself mentally prepared for all these appointments that I have going on for the next couple of days. That consists of getting my hair done, my nails, lashes. Before I travel, I always get a facial because I need my skin nice and moisturized in the air. And then there's packing.
I am actually packed. This is like a first time in my life. I am I am packed and ready. I'm packing cubes for the win. Yeah, that's New York right now. Oh my gosh, in a few hours I am out. So your girl was not dreaming of a white Christmas. I couldn't get out of New York quicker. How you feel? Too much clothes. Yeah, one too much clothes. On the way to the airport is when I realized we got upgraded to business. And this is my first upgrade I did not have to pay for. And I feel blessed. I feel blessed. Let's get it. And today we're flying with Cathay. I don't know how you say it. Cathay. This is the most quiet I've ever seen JFK. Like, this is crazy how quiet it is. I have never flown on Christmas, and this is the most calm I have ever seen JFK in my life.
Nobody asked you that.
Say hi, Trancy.
Nobody asked you that. Why tell them that?
Because they need to know. They need to know how great it is to fly on Christmas Eve. Yeah. Yes. So it is, what is the time? It's 12:52. We have about an hour before we take off. So we'll start boarding in about 10 minutes. I've never flown Cathay Pacific. Cathay Airline. Cathay. I was gonna do a video on their economy premium, but we got upgraded to business. No complaints here. We're taking it. So I guess I will do a review on their business. Should be a great flight. Good vibes. Good energy.
Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. If they could, they probably should. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would.
I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. Yeah, I took a long vacation, no doubt left.
Skin is skinning. We're taking off. And we have a 15-hour and 25-minute trip to Hong Kong. And then it's from Hong Kong to Singapore. I'm going to be here acting up on this plane. After getting myself all situated and checking out the business class amenities, the food started coming, and it seemed like it was not gonna stop. If it's one thing they do, they feed you in business and first class. No complaints here though. We're grateful, we're thankful, we're blessed, and we're going with the flow. So let's eat.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
Like a solid 8. Really good. By the time we got to dessert, we'd had enough because it was just so much food. And I wish I could say that this was it, but it wasn't. I still had to fill out my little breakfast form. Then I worked a little bit, caught a little bit of Z's, and we did get hungry again.
Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
So after our 15-hour and 25-minute plane ride, we land in Hong Kong. We had a very short layover. After clearing customs, we literally had to speed to our gate. Now, the Singapore flight is economy comfort. It was cool. Decent leg room. All I can say is thank God we got upgraded. There's no going back for me. I need business moving forward. Finally made it. It is 2 a.m. I'm pretty sure. Look at how sweaty. It is humid out here. Oh wow, I am greasy. It is humid. 2 o'clock in the morning. And we tired. I am done for the day. It's the most janky room tour you'll ever see, but that's what we're working with. I need a shower. Wow.
Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. If they could, they probably should. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would.
I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. I dipped, took a long vacation, no doubt left man of them mad. Gone. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. Nah, if they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a 2-man pad.